Hey everybody, Dr. Greg Jones here at Innovative Wellness Center. We're going to talk a little bit about NAD today. So you probably heard us talk about this many times before about NAD. Let's go back to that. Why is this important? Why do you need to know about NAD? Because as you get older, your NAD levels drop. Not only when you get older, there's certain things in our lifestyle that can make NAD decrease. For instance, alcohol, drugs, environmental toxins can all deplete NAD. You have to use more NAD to break these things down. Now, when your NAD decreases, you become NAD deficient, there's certain things you kind of feel, right? You can feel more tired. You can have less energy. You can have more weight gain. You can have lack of focus and concentration and brain fog. You may find yourself more depressed, more anxious, right? So all these different pathways and all these functions in the body that NAD is responsible for, they decline. A few other things that NAD helps you with is it does help your immune system function, it helps with your athletic performance, it helps your detox pathway. So NAD is crucial. But here's the deal, how do you get it? Right? What are the best ways to get NAD in your body, right? So I'm not going to go down the supplement pathway with this particular video, but let's talk about how you can increase your NAD levels. And because a lot of people here, they know I love needles. Dr. Jones loves him some needles. Here's a couple ways to increase your NAD. Now there's subcutaneous injections and there's IV. What are the pros and cons of these approaches, right? So subcutaneous injections, what's good about that? One, it's convenient, right? You're not sitting in an IV chair for an hour or two. You're able to just wipe, inject, and go. That's cool, right? And so again, patients who are strapped for time, patients who, I would say if they're more of a frail state, a little bit older, and some of our younger patients, NAD subcutaneous is the way to go. And people who just want to kind of maintain a more steady and consistent NAD level, sub-Q injections are the way to go with that. One of the gold standards of increasing your NAD levels because you can get a higher volume of this, right? So if I'm giving you a sub-Q injection, depending on the case, I can give you 100 milligrams, 200 milligrams, maybe 250. NAD IVs, we can go 250, 500, 600, 750. So I'm able to give a higher dose of the NAD in a treatment. Now that takes more time, right? And it can be slightly uncomfortable. Now here's something I want to talk to you guys about. You can't just dump NAD in anybody, right? You can't say, okay, hey, nice to meet you, buddy. Let's give you 1,000 milligrams of NAD, because when I give you NAD, your body starts using that NAD. Some of those pathways are great, right? So some of your anti-aging pathways, so it's going to help increase your sirtuins, it's going to activate another pathway called PARP, things that help you with anti-aging. But there's another thing, and I'm not going to go too much in detail here, there's another pathway called CD38. Now this can be harmful if that NAD takes too much of your CD38 away. It can affect your immune system function, right? So there's some skill to it, right? It's not just about giving you NAD, it's about giving you NAD in the right amount and the right time, so you can get the max benefit from it. So that's just a little tidbit on NAD. We love to tell you more. We love to explain to you how NAD can benefit you and your wellness. So come see us and we'll talk more.